are you doing business and struggling to get attention for your business? Are you struggling to get sell out more and more products or services, whatever you are offering to the customers, so you can generate huge amount of profit through your business, but you are not able to do that thing? Do you know why? You are not getting attention for your business. If you don't get attention, how you can generate money? Because you have to convert that attention into customers. So it's a communication, there is a communication gap between attention and generating money by selling your product or service. So first you have to understand how you can get too much attention for your business, so you can convert those leads into profit based customers. Okay, in this video I'm going to share 10 hacking global attention strategies which will help you to get more and more attention globally for your business. It doesn't matter that you are doing business in your city, state, country, or if you want to spread your business, expand your business widely internationally, then this video gonna help you a lot more using digital platforms. So stay tuned to that. I'm Pranshu, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. Let's start the video. Okay, first point is that when you are starting out in business or when you are doing any business by selling your product or service, you are working on many social media platforms or other platforms which will help you to get more attention for your business. What you have to understand, let's suppose you uploaded a first piece of content at 19 January 2020. So what you have to do? You just have to do free concerts, you have to do free seminars at that date after a year at free of cost, or every month at that date. What this thing helps your customers to know more about you when they come to your event, when they come to your seminar, when they come to your concert. They know that how much value you are providing through your product or services or through your personal brand, or how you are entertaining the customers. Because when you are selling a product or service, it can be entertaining product or service, or it can educate other people. So what you have to do, you just have to do free concerts, you have to do free events, you have to do free seminars regarding your product or service or regarding your personal brand every year at that date on which you uploaded a first piece of content. Or if you can afford that thing, so you can do in every month at that date. It helps you to get more crowd for your business, and there's your marketing team which will help you to convert those leads, those cold leads, into profit based customers. So spend some money on your marketing team also, which will help you to generate huge amount of money. If you work on that strategy, you will get boom in attention. Okay, and when you are starting out on any new platform, you just have to be macro patient in that journey, because you can't get everything within a day, within a night. There is no overnight success. You just have to understand that you have to understand the working of that platform. When you are uploading content, you have to engage with your audience also, so they will engage you back, and that's how you can get more attention, you can get more followers, more people who are following you, following your business, following your personal brand, and that's how you will grow. That's how you can sell out your product or services, because in the starting you need attention, and social media platforms is the best thing for that. And currently LinkedIn is the best social media platform you can work on. Instagram is a little bit uneasy right now, because the organic reach gets lower, but organic reach on LinkedIn is too high, so focus on that platform. Must upload a transformational video of yourself by using that product or service, or by from your customers. You get testimonials after the customers use your product or service. You get testimonials that how much your product or service is effective to that person, and how much this product or service can solve out other pain points of other customers. So you have to understand that thing. You have to show up more and more transformational videos which will help you to get more attention, because people love to see transformation, and that's how they can come out from their pain points. They need motivation, they need right set of product or service which will help them to get transformed. Because everyone wants more friends, everyone wants more fame, everyone wants more money, and you can't get those things without transforming yourself, without transforming your skills. So let them know how your product or service help them to transform them from this to this. Third point is that when you are pursuing your journey, you will face disbalance in your insecurities and securities. Yes, you will face these issues in your further business, because sometimes your employees are not working properly, sometimes you feel insecure because of your competition, because of some way issues. So you have to understand that thing, that these insecurities drive emotion in yours, drives more and more emotions in you, and emotions can destroy the business completely, can lift the business completely. And there is no place of emotion when you are doing business, because there are lots of struggles in your journey. And if you get emotion in every path, in every setbacks, so how you can pursue that long journey? You have to understand that thing. So rather than getting emotional on the situation, figure out how I can handle that situation properly. If you can do that thing, if you can control your emotions, you always win in business strategy. So try to love yourself, try to believe in yourself, and don't take actions by your heart only. Take your mind with your heart too, because when you are taking decisions, it's gonna affect your business life, it's gonna affect your employees life, it's gonna affect your life also. So make a decision which will help to enhance the life quality of life of your employees, of your business, and you too. Okay. And in this journey you have to be more humiliated and grateful. When you get grateful whatever the things you have, you get so much happy, and that's how you can generate huge amount of profit. When you are not able to live every moment of your business, because business is a totally up and down thing. There are some phases when your business goes up, there are some phases when your business goes down. So you have to understand that thing. There are many phases like that. When you start enjoying those moments, when you start working on those things and learning from experience, you can win in that scenario. So always be grateful for whatever the things you have, and that's how you can pursue your journey easily. Fourth tip is give yourself first. Give something yourself first. When you are expecting that I want too much profit in my business, when you are expecting that I need these things in my business, first you have to give some things to your customers, to your employees, etc. Because when you are doing business, there are so many agencies, there are so many departments in your business. Some are marketing department, some are HR department, and there are a lot of things. You have to train them properly, that how they have to work in your company and how they can help you to grow your business. Growing your business is in your hand. Hire and fire is in your hand. Training is in your hand. You have to give them a path, how they have to recruit, how they have to train their employees, and how they have to lead them to take out some work. Because when you are giving them salary, you need to take out work from them, right? So guide them, train them, and give them a proper path, how they can help you to generate more money, and how they can increase their income too, because everyone wants to do some work for themselves. So give them some profit, let them know how they can get more profit by working in that way, by working in a proper way, by following your guidelines. That's how you can rule in that industry. So always train them properly, always give them a path which will help you to get a win-win situation for your employees, for yourself too. Fifth tip is try to reverse engineer your competitors, because you are selling your product or service in a unique way in the market, but there are many people who are selling these products to the market. So try to figure out that how they are getting too much attention, how they are getting too much customer, and how they are satisfying them. And when you get to know the techniques, you just have to reverse engineer their work, and that's how you can implement those strategies in your business too. You are learning new things, you are implementing new things, you are getting new results, you are getting tremendous results. But getting stopped is a plateau for your business. So don't get plateau in your business. Just try to learn from others also. Try to learn from your competitors, how they are getting attention, how they are marketing their product or service to the audience, how they are getting more testimonies, how they are getting more positive reviews for their product or service. Because there are some businessmen who don't know how to get proper testimonies, how to get proper positive feedbacks from their customers. And if you get to know how I can get feedbacks, if you get negative feedbacks, you just have to implement those things and figure out what are the things we are doing wrong in a wrong way, and you just have to tackle them properly. And when you are getting positive feedback, it gets a testimonial, and you can convert them as a transformational video also, which will help you in longer run. So always implement that thing and try to learn from your competitors also. It will help you to rule in a business on a longer run, and swipe up your competitors from the market, because you are implementing too much things. Sixth tip is be thoughtful about your brand strategies. Yes, you are learning from the competitors, you are learning from the books, you are learning from YouTube, just like my video. But you just have to be thoughtful on your brand strategies. You have to understand how your departments are working for your business, how they are getting customers. If they get improved, they need new trainings, they need new platforms to work on, they need any new thing, any existing thing which will have with improvement to get some more work from those things to get more profit in your business. So understand that thing. Be thoughtful about your brand strategies, how you can expand your business in other cities, states, countries, how you gonna get more and more customers, how you will work online, offline, how you gonna market your product or service, how you gonna emphasize your brand, how you gonna learn from your competitors, how you get to swipe out your competitors from the market. There are a lot of stuff. You just have to be thoughtful about your brand strategies, because brand is just not a name brand. Brand is a value. Everyone, when they hear about your brand, they get to know that this brand is working on those things, and they are giving us too much value, too much good quality in that thing. So brand is a reputation. Don't destroy it. Understand how I can expand my business and how can increase my brand reputation. So always be thoughtful about your brand strategies. Seventh tip is, there are so many companies or organizations who wants to do business in your country, in your city, in your state, but they are not able to find the influencers. They are not able to market their product or service. So what do you have to do? Instead, they will search you through any platform. You have to search them and make a conversation with them, because when you get to know that which type of product or service they are marketing, and if you are in that niche, if you are working in that niche, you act as an influencer, and you can after conversing with them, you can help them to reach out their product or service in your city, state, country, or internationally, and this will help you to get a sponsorship from those organizations, some testimonials, as well as some money. Okay, when you start the conversation, when you know that how much problems they are facing, you can charge any amount, whatever in your mind. So be practical in that way. You don't have to charge billions or millions. You just have to be practical in that way. You can charge a little more, because you are initiating the conversation. You are helping them to reach out their product or service in your city, state, or country. In this way, you have to crack the deal. You get a sponsorship, so you can sustain your business too, and in that way you can get too much money by selling your product or service, also by helping other organizations, also by collaborating with other organizations and increasing the value of your brand. Eighth tip is, when you are marketing your product or service, when you are selling your product or service, you need testimonials, right? You can get testimonial easily if your product or service is that much qualitative, but you have to make mouth-to-mouth advertising at free of cost. I will give you that tip. Just call out your previous customers and get some feedback from them, and by conversing with them with 10 to 15 minutes, ask them, did they like your product or service, how they like your product or service, how they get to know about your product or service. After this, get some referrals from them. Okay, and when they get your product or service and they really transform from that to that person, they do mouth-to-mouth advertisement for free of course for your product or service. So try to provide more and more value through your brand, through your product or service. Understand your customers, and they will do mouth-to-mouth advertising for free, and there's no strategy which can beat mouth-to-mouth advertising. If you are getting that thing, man, you're gonna explode in your market. So always try to provide more value through your product or service. Ninth tip is, people are not able to understand that they are too much valuable. Some people deny their product or service to use. Some people give them negative feedback. They try to know that I'm not doing well, I'm not making good product. Maybe there is some issue, but that not that much. You are valuable. Don't let anyone's opinion to get down you. Okay, you are too much valuable. You just have to understand that what are the mistakes I am doing and how I can resolve that problem to help my customers to solve their pain problems. Okay, understand this concept. You are too much valuable. Just believe in yourself, and if you are not getting results, maybe you need to change your strategies. Maybe you need to change your target audience. Don't get demotivated, man. You are precious. And the 10th tip, last tip of that video is too crucial for you, in this tip, what you have to do, you just have to cover all the social media platforms. Yeah, you are posting your content on all social media platforms, but you have to be choosy in that thing. What you have to do, the platforms who are new, who are just created before a month, before a year, so you need to start posting content massively. you have to start engaging your audience massively, because the organic reach on those platforms is too high. Yes, you don't have to pay for ads, you can get too much reach through organically. So you just have to upload more content, you have to engage more with your audience, and you get a lot of attention at free of cost. Just try to provide more and more value, and analyze on which platforms you are spending your time too much, and how you can cut out from your time from reckless things, and try to spend your time on those things which will help you to get more productive in your journey. When you do that thing, you start realizing that I am getting more results every day, and when you start implementing these techniques consistently, you will get too much attention, and that's the motive of your marketing department, to convert those cold calls, those attention, into customers. So that's how. If you have any issues, just comment down. I will solve that issue soon. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first. And if you are doing business, you need to scale that business up to $1 million business. So here are tips to scale your business into $1 million business. Just check out that video right now.